SPEC dual catback exhaust. Clark, say hello to the YouTube channel.
So brothers, from Clark, 42 share cuz.
Yeah, so far we got the, what do you call this? Muffler. We got the muffler off. Now we're gonna take off the mid pipe all the way to the catback. This is the SPEC D exhaust. Pretty nice. With the burnt tips. Why did you choose the burnt tips, Clark? And not the regular?
Because burnt tips, big dips.
What? Burnt tips, big dips.
Yeah, I guess so.
This is, say what's up, Clyde. Good job.
What up, YouTube? 2 spring bolts. Holding
2 spring bolts, that's it.
Easy.
Easy, man.
Only minor.
Only minor.
Still walk around real quick of Clark's 86. He got this back in January and now he aspires to build this car and put it in the car show. Oh, look at that sticker right there. That prototype aesthetic garage. Clean. This is rear setup right now. This wing. This is called the, what brand is this? The wing. Sard. Was it Sard?
Sard wing from FT86 Speed Factory.
Oh, that's the website for everything.
It's not too big, doesn't it?
Yeah.
So yeah. Trying to go for that subtle look.
You get a little bit fading already, look.
Yeah, that's okay. I've been wrapping them.
Yeah, just wrap them. Just put you like use the, I get purple. I get purple wrap. Now only enough for this though. I don't know if you like rock one purple wing.
Purple.
I get carbon.
Sample your carbon one.
Carbon, yeah. One day. This is for the next vlog, yeah. Okay, this is aesthetic garage, so every part you put on, you gotta come here now. You're part of the crew.
I'm accepted?
Yeah.
I already get.
Hey, if you get famous, brah, you get this channel and then you get your other channel, yeah, with your girlfriend.
Yes, sir.
Wanna say hi?
Sorry, she's not wearing any makeup. Zoom in on her face. Zoom in on that face.
That's never going back on the car, right? You can sell them now.
I've been selling on Facebook Marketplace, or if you guys know anybody that would buy them stock exhaust.
How much you asking?
About $700. Oh, Clyde just says soppy. Fuck! Huh? You think I'm strong? A strong boy?
Is this your first exhaust install on a car?
Yes.
Nice.
I thought I recorded earlier. He doesn't know how to jack up his car.
Hey, fuck you. That's embarrassing. Don't post that. What are you talking about? That's not me. That was somebody else. That was Tati. She don't know shit.
So you don't blame Tati on this one.
Yeah. We're a team. Motherfucker.
Yeah, I am.
Out. Anthony, you're making me nervous.
You're on camera.
I know. Stop, I just dropped a nut in my face. Ew.
Pretty much done. Let's get some sound clips.
Good.
Let's hear that cold start, Clark.
neighbor's gonna hate me.
That's what I told you.
Oh, fuck. Well, that's fucking loud, bro. Holy shit. I didn't expect it to be that loud. It's loud.
Let it warm up for a little bit. Not too bad.
So that concludes today's vlog. We installed his SPEC D exhaust.
First time with Clark.
Oh, yeah.
First time seeing his car too.
This is his first time on the channel. And more to come, huh?
Much more.
Much more to come. So
Stay tuned.